Today we are here in Bishop. We are checking out their brewery. It's called Rambler Brewery. It's dog friendly, and we are checking out some pizzas which they only serve on the weekends, and we're really intrigued. So I'm going to start out with their arugula pizza. It's supposed to come with like arugula, goat cheese, caramelized onions, and here we go. Wow, looks like that's money. Oh, those are really good. They come in like these flatbread type styles, which I was not expecting, but oh my god. Caramelized onion, goat cheese, arugula, and the balsamic vinegar just all goes. I'm really happy we chose this pizza. We were gonna be basing it cheese, but no, this one's definitely like worth it. I got the Center Unfiltered California IPA. So it's kind of crispy, so we're gonna see. It's a good idea.
We also got the Mexican pizza, which it is a mozzarella, beef, sausage, jalapeno, bell peppers, corn, onion, and cilantro lime garnish. It's a bit different, very colorful, looks pretty. Never really had a pizza like that, but yeah, just had to try something different. Looks good though. That's what it is. Let's try it. A little messy because all the loose toppings, but I dig it. Let's see what they're putting down. I like the sausages, and it's actually kind of like a well-balanced pizza. It all works. I thought the corn would kind of like stand out and make me not like it, but I'm actually pretty happy with the pizza so far. This wasn't this one, but this one's pretty good. I got another hazy. This one's called the Hell's Diver. Now it's better. I like this one so far the best.
I'm gonna try it. Gonna try mine.
Yeah. I like mine the best. That's a tasty beverage.
It's kind of crispy. Go with that one.
Yeah, this is my favorite. This is the one. It doesn't have that nutty aftertaste. It's nice and crisp. A little kind of I guess you call it milky, but it's pretty good. I mean, not as clear as that, but this is the good one. Tasty beverage.
So overall, I give those pizzas a pretty good rating. I really enjoyed them. They had a minimal beer selection, and a lot of them were like amber ale stouts, and we're just not huge fans of those. And to be honest, the beers that we were interested in, I will admit, they're not the best.
Yeah, for a brewery, their brews weren't that great. Yeah, they were fine. They weren't bad. I mean, they're drinkable. But the real highlight is definitely the pizzas. That's all we had. The fries were good. So the food is definitely a must. But then they had like 6 beers.
Yeah.
But overall, I had a good time. It's good. And yeah, no complaints really other than that.
Yeah.
We have been here for the past couple days, and bro, these allergies are no joke. It's been like windy and cold, and I can barely talk. Although it's really pretty, these allergies are killing me. I had like a Zyrtec or Claritin, and I've not been in. We got Jeremy out here eating his eggies.
Breakfast of champs.
There's no one around. Is it good?
The next place that we are checking out here, this time around in Bishop, it's called I don't know how to pronounce that. I think it's Brewery. But here in Bishop, it's really pretty. Just can't pronounce it. And one of the things we got here, they serve it's like a little Mexican market. They have like juices, little Mexican like salsas. But one of the few meals that we got is their concha ice cream sandwich. We had this back in Tucson. This concha actually looks a lot less stale than the last time we got it. Yeah, I'm like really excited to try this. I'm gonna try this out now because it is starting to melt. Here we go. Who said you can't have ice cream for breakfast? They're just haters. Honestly, it's just basic vanilla ice cream. The concha at the top just tastes like powder. It's like powdered sugar, I think. And then it's just a soft, delicate kind of concha. It's not stale. There's really nothing I can really say other than we have to eat it really fast. But the ice cream has been holding up, and it's been like maybe 15 minutes or so. This is one I definitely recommend, and we got a couple other stuff that we're really excited to try out, but we're gonna try those out once we get to our campsite. But we just figured we'd try this out right now before we head out.
Concha's not a stale. You know, you can actually bite into it. The last one, you're like tearing at it. It was good. It's kind of like an ice cream cone, is what the best way I'd describe it. It's just like a vanilla ice cream cone. No problem.
So we got a couple of things, and one of the things we always have to get is a breakfast burrito. So it's actually very warm. I got a chorizo breakfast, and this thing is huge. Look at that. Alright, let's go. Wow. That is good. This is a solid chorizo burrito, and it's saying a lot because you have chorizo burritos all the time. You can go anywhere and they're fine, but this is good. I thought I was afraid it was gonna be a little greasy, but it's actually not greasy when you bite into it. It was just a hearty little dish that just the chorizo spice, it's amazing. They have salsas too, but I'm gonna try those in a bit too. The other thing I got is the horchata. The horchata's fine. It's very gritty, very grainy. They put too much cinnamon. They just didn't mix it too well. I don't know, but you know, when you have horchata, sometimes it's gritty, sometimes it's good. It's a little too gritty. It's not my favorite. I'd probably skip on this one, to be honest.
I got a strawberry fresca. They only had horchata and strawberry. Alex got the horchata, I got the strawberry, so I've got to try both. I like that it's not sweet. Sometimes when you have frescas, they're like really sugary. This one just tastes like juice. It tastes refreshing, just like nice little strawberry water, which you want from a fresca. It's good.
Something I was really excited about is they have a tamale trio. So you can pick 3 of your tamales. I chose all of their flavors because like a deck of Pokemon cards. But we got the pork red salsa. This one's a jalapeno cheese. And then this one is the chicken green sauce one. This one's usually my favorite if they don't mess up on the red green sauce. It's really hard to make a good green sauce tamale. Ooh, look at that. Jeremy's more a fan of the ones with like the banana husks outside of it. But I'm traditional Mexican. I love this, but the banana ones are really good. I'm not gonna lie. Here we go. I'm just gonna bite into it, to be honest. Dog, this place just keeps on winning, man. We may have to come here again. The salsa's good. It's not too spicy, but it's not like too oniony. That's the thing with green salsas that you have to watch out for, but that's really good. The masa itself is, as you can tell, it's like doing like the worm. It's actually moist, but it's not soggy. I'm excited to try the other ones later, but yeah, so far this place has been a banger.
I am a big fan of red enchiladas, and so of course I had to get me some. It's a little like a little 3 enchilada. It's 3 different types too. 1 chicken, 1 asada, 1 adobada with of course rice and beans. It's kind of hard to see because they're all covered in sauce. I think this is this may just be, I don't know, that may be adobada. But yeah, let's try it. I think this is that's the adobada one. Let's try this one. They put a decent amount of meat in these. Usually I'm just a cheese enchilada fan, but have to try all the meats. So kind of butchered it, but let's try it. Their tortillas here are really good. They taste really fresh. The sauce is really good. Kind of nice little, not spicy, but just like a nice, I don't know how you describe, like tomatillo almost, with the cheese. I'm gonna try the rice though. But so far the enchiladas are pretty good. Rice isn't bad. Probably not the best thing here. I think this may be the asada, which would make this the chicken. Yeah, that's the chicken one for sure. Now, the chicken. You know, I'm very picky with enchiladas, but I'm very happy with these. These ones, bangers. Get these. You don't really need the rice, but the tamale was good, and the enchiladas and the strawberry fresca be hitting. Mm-hmm. Say this is a place you have to go to if you're stopping through Bishop, almost more than the bakery, the Shots Bakery. Because this one you can get your pan. They have fresh salsas, fresh tamales, frescas, Mexican food. What more do you want? Go here.
Stars, nothing.
I'd give it a star.
So we are leaving Bishop in about a couple weeks. We need to change our tires. We have noticed they have been wearing down. So before we're going higher up in elevation, we should definitely get those done. So that's what we're doing today. We also have a couple other things that we need to get doing today before we leave. It's just kind of mainly gonna be a chore day, and then at the end of the day we're gonna be checking out this like meat sandwich shop, which is sounded really good and it's got good reviews, so kind of excited for that. Before we do all that, we are just gonna drop off the RV and get this tires changed, and yeah, today's gonna be kind of a busy day.
A few moments later.
Look at our new tires. So fresh. Anyways, so now that we got the tires done, we're actually going to the
Mahogany smoked meats.
get some smoked meats, some sandwiches.
Some jerky.
Since last time we went to the what was the Schatz Bakery, was a little disappointing, but we didn't mind the sandwiches. This place has sandwiches as well, so we're gonna see which one, how it compares, and see which one's better.
It got good reviews, so I'm excited.
Yeah, they even have like ostrich and buffalo and whatever hellfire is. That sounds good.
So this is the smoky. It's supposed to be, oh, it's a half of a half. So it's smoked turkey, bacon, I think cheese, lettuce, no mustard for us. Let's check it out. I was really excited because I wanted to try their smoked meats when this one had the smoked bacon and the turkey. No, I gotta get it. So let's try it. I guess you can call it like a turkey club, right?
Okay.
It's like a good turkey club. My only nitpick is that for 15 bucks, I don't know. I guess I wanted a whole Sammy instead of
I was
like
expecting
a half a sandwich. Yeah. So it's good. Just a little let down with the portion size. And then we also got a couple of jerkies. So they had a lot. They had ostrich, but they didn't have it today. It was on their menu. So we got teriyaki elk jerky, just what it sounds like. We also got habanero buffalo jerky. And then lastly, we got the wild boar jerky. I think it's peppered. So it's peppered wild boar, habanero buffalo, and we got teriyaki elk. I'm gonna start with the habanero buffalo, just because I've never had buffalo jerky. I had elk jerky, and I may have had boar, but this is the buffalo. I ripped the bag.
It's a black bag.
That's what it looked like. It feels soft, feels still tender, still got some play. See if it's spicy. Got a sweet flavor. Nice and tender. I don't like jerky that you're tearing at, so I think you'd like this one. It has a little heat on the back end where it kind of warms your face, but nothing like overwhelmingly hot. On a spice level, maybe like right in the middle. Maybe for others it may be a little higher. It's dehydrated well, so I was actually really happy with this one.
I got the Hog Heaven, but I do agree. I'm like, this really is just half a Subway sandwich. If you go to the grocery store at Vaughn's, you can get like those big, triple big ones for like half the price. But I guess here's the inside of them. So I mean, they do stack them fat with like the meat, so I'll give them that. But this one, it has smoked bacon, I believe pepperoncinis, ham. I think multiple types of ham, and then I said no mustard and onions. It has onions, but I said no mustard. I'm not a huge mustard person, but here you go. The smoked bacon gives it that little kind of gives it like a sweet taste to it, and I do like the crispiness of this bread. Whether it's sourdough or French bread, one of those two, but it's soft, but it's toasty on the outside, and it's pretty good. It's just like, don't get me wrong, it's good. I actually really like the sandwich, but like for $15, maybe I'm just fat, I don't know, but it's really hard to justify $15 stuff. If it was like even just a little bigger, it makes me feel like I'm eating a whole sandwich, I think it'd be worth it. It's good to taste, but the price is just like, it makes it hard, but it is a lot of meat. I can't really necessarily knock it down, but I can't really make it a stamp where it's like you have to get it, because it is kind of pricey. And speaking of pricey, it's supposed to come with the side of potato salad. Look at this! Look at this! It's a side for ants. I'm gonna try it though.
Like 3 bites.
I know, it's like really literally 3 bites. But all right, we're gonna see if it's good though. Those 3 bites are gonna be worth it. It's not bad. There's a good amount of celery flavor in it. It tastes more potato-y, but it's a little bland. Is it good? Yes. Is it overpriced? Yes. So, at your own financial risk, try it if you want.